If you want to take your training not just back to basics, but to its most primal roots, pick up a steel club. Hi, I'm Heins, Onnit's Director of Fitness Education, and I'm going to explain how to use a steel club for greater gains in strength, power, and athleticism. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. The steel club is an evolution in the world's first weapon and tool. For centuries, warriors and athletes used clubs to build strength and power in different planes of movement, particularly rotation. And steel clubs are a cornerstone of Onnit's fitness curriculum today. What is a steel club? The club is a type of leverage challenge tool, meaning most of its weight is offset from its handle, similar to that of a kettlebell or a steel mace. That makes it difficult to control. Because of this design, the club lends itself to rotational movement better than perhaps any other piece of equipment. Clubs range in length from about 1 foot to a little over 2 feet, and generally come in weight increments ranging between 5 and 45 pounds. The benefits of steel club training. The steel club offers benefits you can't get to the same degree with conventional equipment. Number 1, core strength. The club's weight is positioned at a distance from the handle, so it's hard to stabilize. Your body must call on numerous muscles and keep you from losing balance and alignment while you're lifting the club. All club exercises put you at a significant leverage disadvantage, which is bad for making workouts feel easy, but great for activating muscle, especially in your core and throughout your back. Number 2, rotational strength. The leverage disadvantage and shape of the club really feed into its greatest feature, which is allowing you to train through rotational movement. Your body works in rotation all the time, whether you're throwing a ball, lifting heavy groceries from your car, wrestling with your kids, or even walking. Some of the best steel club exercises are swinging and spiral patterns that force you to stabilize your body over a long range of motion and develop power transference into that rotary plane. You also need to be able to resist rotation when it isn't wanted. When you're squatting with a barbell, for instance, you think you're going up and down, but there's rotational force acting on your shoulders, on your spine, on your hips, on your knees, and in your feet. Squatting with a club highlights this resistance, and it helps you create greater stability that will translate into other exercises and athletic movements. If you're looking for a steel club workout for beginners, click on the video right here. Number 3, grip strength. When you train rotation, you create centrifugal force. In addition to having a thick handle and an offset load, the club is tough to grip because it wants to fly out of your hands whenever you swing it. Steel club training is great for building a grip that's really alive. As it changes position in space, it pushes and pulls on your fingers and hand in different directions at the same time. To control and direct it effectively while not burning out, you need to find balance between enough pressure versus too much. With this in mind, imagine how club training could help a grappler who needs to hang on to an opponent's gi, a construction worker who hauls heavy materials up a scaffold with a rope, or a fisherman trying to reel in a fighting marlin. Number 4, decompress joints and tissues. Most weight training exercise tighten up your body, literally. When you squat heavy, the vertebrae in your back get squeezed closer together. When you press heavy weights, your shoulders and elbows get squeezed. Over time, compressing your joints and shortening the muscles that act on them can lead to loss of range and pain. But the steel club can help alleviate both. The pendulum action of swinging the club creates traction and therefore space in your wrists, elbows, and shoulder joints. This improves the passing of synovial fluid through them, helping recovery. This traction also makes the muscles and connective tissue work to hold the joint together, thereby strengthening them in beneficial counterbalance to the compressive forces you get in other training. Traction and rotation also have the effect of helping your muscles into new ranges of motion that they wouldn't otherwise explore. You get stretching and strengthening in one movement with club training. And just for you, we've got another great mobility routine that you can use in preparation for your steel club training. Steel club training can really light up your nervous system, which adds more load on the brain. That's where our new Alpha Brain pre-workout, designed specifically for athletes and gym goers to support focus, power, and endurance, provides a mighty 1-2 punch. It's the ultimate way to charge up and synergize your mind and body. Use the coupon code GETONNIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain pre-workout at onnit.com. Now, let's get back to the video. 5. Get more out of light weight. The handle, the offset load, and the rotational nature of club training make it virtually impossible to use heavy weight, and that's perfectly all right. Even a 10-pound club can give you a killer workout. A club workout places so much demand on the nervous system that you may feel mentally tired afterwards, similar to how you'd feel after taking a final exam. But because you can't train with excessive weight, it doesn't leave you physically wrecked for days. For athletes who need to compete frequently, it's helpful to have a tool that lets them train hard and bounce back fast, while staying sharp. Lightweight also makes clubs highly portable. If you're planning a road trip that will take you away from your gym, clubs can fit easily into your car, providing you with a workout you can do anywhere. 6. Make training fun. To say club training provides a novel workout experience is a given, but it also taps into a primal instinct in us all that's inherently fun. Clubs can even be used for creative expression. As you master club exercises, you can begin to transition from one to the next seamlessly, creating what's known as a flow. You'll move gracefully from one position to the next, working your whole body in the process. Workouts then become more like a warrior dance than weight training. And that was our guide to the Steel Club. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. To get a full tutorial on Steel Club training, click on the article below in the description.